Going to discuss Unit 2 Session 1 Mouse. What is mouse? A computer mouse is an handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into a motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. See here in this picture we can easily see that there is a scroll up and down button to move a page up and down. There is a left click to move a cursor or select an object. There is a right click to open context sensitive menus and cable connected to a USB port on the computer. Thus, a mouse is what called a pointing device. It moves a pointer on the screen allowing the user to select icon, buttons, menu, and other screen objects. What is a proper way of using a mouse? See here, hand and arm position should be in a uniform way. Hold the computer mouse loosely. Do not firm grip. Do not rest your wrist or forearm on the mousing surface. Try to use your whole arm, shoulder to move the mouse to allow larger, stronger muscles to move the mouse. Have your upper arm hanging close into your side. Your elbow should be bent at 90 degree. Do not use wrist rest because they can cut off blood supply through the wrist. Take frequent breaks. Mouse setting. In your mouse setup program, select a low computer mouse speed and switch off or lower acceleration. This will help make sure that you do not get in the habit of overusing your smaller wrist muscles. Mouse buttons. A mouse button is an one or more button found on the front portion of a computer mouse that allow a computer user to perform an action. For example, a user may be required to click the mouse button to open a file or hold the mouse button down to highlight the text. Left mouse button. Default mouse button on most operating system and program. Used to click, select or open the object on the computer. For example, you would left click to open a link in the browser or double left click to open the program on a Microsoft Windows operating system. Left clicking and holding down the button while dragging the mouse highlight text. In a game, the left button is used as an action button. For example, in shooter game, left button is often used to shoot the gun. Right mouse button. The right mouse button is used to give additional information or the property of a right-clicked item. For example, if you right-click on anything highlighted, you are given a menu that can allow you to copy the highlighted text or another object. Middle mouse button or wheel button. Many computer mice with wheels can also use the wheel as a button. Pressing down on the mouse wheel act as a button and its action depend upon the software installed with the mouse. By default, the middle button is used to open a link in a browser in a new tab. Thumb button. For mice with thumb button, these buttons can be programmed to perform any action. By default, these buttons are used to move backward or forward in an internet browser. Some other buttons. There are also some computer mice that have more than the buttons listed above. For example, the gaming mouse can have dozens of different buttons that can be programmed to perform any number of actions in a game. Various type of pointer. See in mouse there are various type of mouse pointer and it indicates some typical things like if the cursor is normal then it is called normal. If the question mark is added then it is help select. If there is a circle rounding then working in background. If cursor is not working there is a circle in place of cursor then it is busy and so on. There are lots of things here that we can see when the cursor perform any special task it change into that type of view.